What's up everyone, my name is Debonae. Welcome back to my page, especially for those of you who are new. So I want to talk about and address something that is near and dear to my heart that I feel that I probably should have addressed a long time ago. So if anyone will reference back to this video that I did where I mentioned that I'm one of the only black women in my yoga studio, what that problem is a lack of diversity in the yoga community. And a lot of times this gets ignored through the process of spiritual bypass, saying, oh, you should just look below the skin. I don't see color. So what people are really saying when they say they don't see color is they're ignoring your history, ignoring your heritage, ignoring the struggles that you face as an individual and as a collective because of the color of your skin. You know what, if you don't see color, I really don't know how you're driving if you don't see red and green, okay? So what people are really saying when they don't see color and the look below the skin in the yoga community is, I don't want to address this problem. I don't want to address the lack of diversity that is in the yoga community. And I'm going to be the person to address that. It's not okay to have any type of spiritual bypass and not address the lack of diversity that happens in the yoga community. So what I want to start doing is I want to see more black and brown people coming to class, because what I've noticed so far in my 7 years of being in this field is I've literally only met two other black yoga instructors. And I know for other black people and brown people to want to come to class and want to feel safe, you want to see someone that reflects you. You want to see someone else that has done what you are going towards. And this is just something that happens so naturally, psychologically. To see someone that looks like you, to be doing what you want to do is inspiring. And so I want to start to invite more black and brown people into the yoga world, because let's be real, yoga is marketed as a sport for affluent white women, and typically all the studio owners are affluent white women or women that open up these studios only in affluent neighborhoods, and they're charging close to $1,200 per year from limited yoga. And I know for many people, especially black people, where the median income of our entire families, that's not going to be possible, especially for one member. A lot of us end up working so many hours that we don't have the time to do a work trade program. We don't have the time to travel all the way across town. We want the yoga to be brought to our communities. And so I'm going to be that person to do that. I'm going to bring yoga to the black and brown communities and invite that diversity, because that diversity is lacking. Moving forward, I want to see more black and brown people on their mats, because yoga is not a sport, and it's definitely not only a sport that is supposed to only be offered to affluent white women. So I'm going to start offering affordable classes for the community and starting to go more so in communities that have more black and brown people that need these opportunities, because yoga is such an incredible practice. And it's really the practice of getting tuned with your body, getting in tune with your mind, getting tuned in your spirit, and being able to work through many things that you probably wouldn't be able to do on your own without having someone guide you, without having that community where you feel safe and feel supported, and you see someone that looks like you, a reflection of you. So I'm going to be that person. Please invite yourself to come to class. I'm inviting you. I'm going to hold a really safe space for you. I hope to see you guys soon. Stay tuned on the page for the classes that I'm going to be offering. So they're going to be outdoor classes, and then eventually we'll find some space to be able to practice indoors in a really safe space that celebrates our culture. So my name is Debonae again. Thank you all for who stayed tuned for this whole video, and stay around the page. I'll be posting all the goodies and all my schedules soon. I love you. Bye. Mwah.